while since I actually came here, but this place is bad. The ribs. Wow. It's nice. Anyway, other than that, check this out. Trying to keep
2008?
Yeah. Due to the fact that what we discuss is not for the general public to hear, I give you the next scene. This one, no heat problem. What I actually see after fuse checks and a few other things is this is melted to the resistor, but I think this is primarily the problem. And there's a lot of videos up about resistors.
Blower motor was only working on 1 speed. Now it's not working at all, so I hope it ends up being just the resistor, because it doesn't even work on 1 speed anymore. Otherwise I'd show you, but it was working on just 1 speed.
This is what we got for nothing. So everything works but number 5.
Especially in these Chevy trucks. Here we go. Just do one by one. Wiring harness. Whoever had this car before you, they just did a freaking hack job. I only seen that first, but it's the one that I just did, but he... Anyway, this is C. Let's keep going. Pull one out. There we go. Alright, you can see the A, B, C, D. Same thing here. Lined it up right. Put the new one in. Usually y'all see me and I just hurry up and slide the food away. This was a lot of food. I can't just do this like that. BJ's, you did a fantastic job. Thank you. If y'all ever come to BJ's, y'all gotta try this, man. This is good. This is really good.
Most definitely. Now, why are you...
Now he's taping you. There you go.
Why are you doing this now? I will come back with your drinks, okay?
12 seconds later.
Got your face dust?
Thanks, CJ.
The ice cream also has chocolate chips in it too. So, dessert, we have a salted caramel, chocolate chunk, cookies and cream, peanut butter, triple chocolate, white chocolate macadamia nut. Okay, the triple chocolate is absolutely so much better. It's got the Ghirardelli chocolate in it. And then
We on time. You know what? Here y'all go.
alright. Got the triple chocolate Kazuki. Enjoy.
Thanks, you.
My pleasure.
I'm over here having a good time. I almost forget the breaks. One. Number 2. Break. Pad. None on there. Now, with a pad like that, I gotta take my hand, see and feel if there's any grooves in this thing, because she may need another rotor. Push that piston back. And get the other one. This one's even worse. Big difference. First one. And just get the tightening. Right side, left side. Hold them. Just gonna put a little bit of this on there. I try to use black grease. If you need a tire change, it comes off easy. That's why I always actually coat these bolts. A lot more people should do it, but they don't. 1, 2. Then I'll go to the top so it'll be flush. Both sides. Now you can take it and go for a wrap. They work.
Meanwhile,
The worst thing you can do is deliver a car on an empty tank.
You've been earning points in it.
Anyway, let me get in here to BJ's. If you guys have not tried it, definitely want to try it.